You don't know what you're missing if you've never owned a Himalayan salt lamp. It's like having an open window, a softly glowing natural source of fresh, clean air on your desk, in your living room, next to the bed, or anywhere you choose to put it. Himalayan salt lamps are made from pure, food-grade Himalayan salt crystals that can even be powdered and used as salt in recipes if needed. These beautiful lamps have gained massive popularity recently, and there are many benefits attributed to them. Here are some of the most popular benefits of using Himalayan salt lamp. 1. Neutralize electromagnetic radiation. Televisions, cell phones, computers, and tablets release positive ions into the air constantly. These and other common electronics can cause an overflow of electromagnetic radiation, which, although invisible, is believed to cause some serious long-term effects. Constant exposure to electromagnetic radiation is known primarily to cause fatigue, increase stress, and weaken the immune system. Himalayan salt lamps emit negative ions and cancel out positive ones. Therefore, by neutralizing electromagnetic radiation, they help reduce artificial frequencies and even prevent static buildup. 2. Cleanse, deodorize, and purify air. Himalayan pink salt lamps help clean the air through an operation called hygroscopy, which attracts and absorbs contaminated water molecules from the immediate environment and locks them into the salt crystal. The process has an amazing ability to remove cigarette smoke, dust, and other contaminants from the air. This benefit is particularly popular as salty air acts as an overall health booster and can help clear the air passages. 3. Better sleep. Overexposure to positive ions reduces the brain's blood and oxygen supply, which can lead to irregular sleeping patterns. The negative ions from a Himalayan salt lamp are said to reverse this effect, making them a popular sleep aid. Also, in direct relation to chromotherapy, the soothing light can help people who suffer from insomnia. 4. Raise energy levels. Positive ions deplete the body of energy, and it is believed that Himalayan salt lamps can actually do the opposite. The negative ions increase energy levels, which yields a refreshing similar effect to the feeling of rejuvenation achieved from spending time in nature. 5. Boosts blood flow. Particular studies have suggested that negative ions, such as those emitted by Himalayan salt lamps, can accelerate blood flow. This boost helps to improve several disorders of the vascular system and can prevent certain damage to the lungs. 6. Enhance mood. Many studies suggest that negative ions improve mood and energy levels by increasing serotonin in the brain. Therefore, Himalayan salt lamps can benefit people suffering from seasonal affective disorder and other forms of depression. When it comes to buying Himalayan pink salt lamps, coverage is determined by the size of the crystal. Smaller lamps are good for the average bedroom, while larger lamps are better for spaces like the living room or den. On average, 1 pound of Himalayan pink salt crystal will cleanse the air in approximately a 4 foot by 4 foot area.